Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create database. We are going to add tables into the database. We are going to access and add records to the table with the help of SQL. So let's create the database first. So to create the database, you will have to make sure that you write the proper name of the database. So you have to select a name of the database. I am selecting Udemy as a name of my database and click on create. So once you create your database, you will land onto this page. This page is a create table page. If you want to create table, so you have to write down the name of the table and the number of column you want into your table. So I want 3 columns and the name of the table should be notebook. So here I click on go, and then once I hit on go, I am onto the next page, which is the structure of the table. So if you remember that I selected 3 columns, so I got 3 input field over here, 1, 2 and 3, wherein I am going to write 3 column names. So the first column name I want is serial number. So I'll type serial number. The second column name should be name, and the third column name should be attendance. As per our example, I am going to replicate the same table structure. So the first data type should be int. I want serial number to be an integer value and the rest two to be varchar. If you don't select the length and if you try to click on go, it will say that you need to select a valid length. So the maximum allowed length for the serial number should be 10, and for rest 2 I am selecting 50-50. You can select anything as per your requirements. This is not compulsory, and then you can click on go. So if you see that my table notebook has been created, if I go to SQL, the query is auto generated, that is select star from notebook, which means select star means all the records from the table, that is notebook, and I hit go. So when you hit go, you will be able to see the table which is notebook. So here I have not inserted any record or values into the table. So I am seeing only the structure of the table with 3 columns, that is serial number, name and attendance. So now I want to insert the value into this table. So you have to go again to the SQL. If you do not know the syntax of insert, no need to worry. You can click on this button insert and you will automatically get the syntax of the insert query. Now I'm gonna be adding values to this notebook table. So the first record should be 1. As first column is serial number, the value assigned to the first column number should be 1. To the name, it should be Rohit, and for attendance, it should be present. This should be my first record. Serial number 1, name Rohit, and attendance to be present. Make sure that when you select a varchar and when you insert that value into the query, make sure to put it into the single quote so that it to work perfectly. And you have to hit on go. As you see, one row has been inserted into the database. Now I am gonna be adding 2 more records into my table. So as you can see, if I now select star from notebook, so I see one record which is inserted right now. So now I am adding second record, that is serial number 2, name Shifa, and attendance should be absent. Click on go. Okay, great. So second record has been inserted into my table. If you want to see the table again, hit the query, select star from table name, or else you can keep on adding the records. Once you are done, at the end you can see all the records which you have inserted. So hit on go. I am done with adding 3 records. So now I am going to see whether the table has been updated or not. So select star from your table name. So here I can see perfect the table has been added with 3 records which I have added. So yes, you can see 3 different record has been added to my table. When you click on when you hit a query, select star from the table. So this is it for this video. We have learned how to create a database, how to create a table, how to select the data type for the particular column, as well as how to see the database, what all you have created using a query. Select star from table name is the very simple syntax of this SQL. Thank you so much.